Let me see.
We didn't get a lot of eggs.
How many did we get?
7.
We got 9.
9. Okay, let's count it. We need to count it so we know all the eggs are.
Okay, let's count now.
Okay, Leia. How many did you get, honey? Ooh, 5. That's awesome. Okay, Leia.
Gino got. Gino got a candy and a dollar.
How about Danny? How many did he get? Danny must have got a lot, right?
A good amount.
Oh, Gino got a $5.
All right.
And a dollar.
50, 60,
Oh, Janan got 5
Oh.
65.
How much did he?
Kita ko mga empty nilalagay ko dito ulit. So
Okay,
you can
and yeah, that's good.
How much, Mom? How much?
Gino got $8.
All right. He's taking me out to lunch. Was that fun, Dad?
Yeah.
Empty shells over here.
Oh, okay.
4, 5, 5
Oh!
I know where they are, but...
Okay, I'm grabbing this time.